Hi, this is Darren from ALO Upholstery and Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how to upholster this channel headboard. So here's how the board looks like. So this is the middle point of the headboard. So each channel I'll be doing is 10 inches side to side. So this extra wood here I'm putting is going to be attached to the side rails. This is how it looks like. So I've added an extra piece of wood here all along the base, so it gives it a nice clean look to it when you do pull the foam downwards. Now I'll be cutting the foam at 10 inches, the same as the channel on the board. To cut the foam, I'll be using this type of foam saw. Now I'll be using a cardboard strip like this to staple on the board, following that line that I marked. It's a guide to put the foam on and the material. So now I'm putting on each and every line that I've marked. Now I'll be gluing the 1-inch medium density foam, and after that I'll be gluing the fiber on it. This is the type of foam glue that I'll be using. So now I have the foam glued right on top of the cardboard and lined up just like this. And this is the thick fiber that I'll be using on top of it, so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. This is the two-tone color leather that I'll be using. So when you're working with leather, you want to lock a lot of spots first with a few staples on every sides. So once you feel you locked a lot of spots already and the leather doesn't feel like it's moving around, you could start stapling it. So I like to start from the middle area, as you can see, and work its way outwards. Now I'm just cutting the foam a little shorter since it's too long. Now the second one that I'll be doing, I'll be putting it on and feeling where the cardboard is as a guide. Now I'm stapling down without any cardboard. Now I'll be continuing the process for the whole headboard, but for the rail area where the wood is, I'll be cutting the foam off. Now I'll be cutting off the fiber where the wood is, so it's easy to screw the rails on it afterwards. So this is the reason why I use cardboard, so it gives it a nice straight clean line to it. So now I'll be working on the end side here. Now I'll be using 1/2 inch foam on the side. So this is the top part of the headboard area that I'll be working on. So here's the top corner area. It's a little bit more harder to work with since there's foam already. You'll want to staple some staples on the top part so it doesn't come out. Now I'm using black cotton lining for the back. So here's how the front looks like when I'm done it. So this is the bottom part where you see the black lining. So the side rails look like this. I put a hardwood in between the two plywood sheets. Now I'm using 1/2 inch medium density foam for the sides. So this is the top part of the rail. I'll be gluing 1/2 inch on top of it as well. Now I'm just locking all spots that I need as necessary first. Now I'm using black cotton lining. Now I'm using cardboard strips, so when you reverse the fabric, it gives it a nice straight line. So this is how the bottom side rails look like. Now I'll be screwing a 90-degree angle bracket like this. Now I'm screwing the legs on it. Now I'm screwing the side rails to the headboard. So here's how the finished piece looks like. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe.